Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and welcome back to my channel, The World of Knowledge. And today we are going to discuss about Solvay Process. So let's get to the video. Solvay Process. This process is commonly used in nearly all washing soda industries. So we know that washing soda has become an important product in our daily life. Whenever we want to go wash our clothes, we just simply put them in the washing machine, add a cup of washing soda in it, and then start it, and voila, our clothes have been washed. In early times, people used soap for washing their clothes, and there was a chance of getting your clothes spoiled. They will become bad and this and that. So, and there was also an issue of hard water. We will discuss about hard water later. Now about washing soda. Washing soda is has become an important essential life. Belgian scientist Ernst Solvay invented this whole process in 1861. But the real truth, when it came to the world, was that it became famous in 1900s, not in the 1860s. Why this method became very famous? Because the only advantage is that it uses raw materials. The raw materials that are used in it are very cheap and easily available. So that's why it is used. And there's another thing, environmental factor. Because it is easily available, that's number one. Number two, this process does not produce any pollutants. No waste products, no pollutant, safe and healthy. But think about it. Why Solvay Process has still been used today while it was invented in 1860s? Why it is still used today? What are its benefits, and why nearly all washing soda industries use this method instead of producing a new method? So stay tuned and watch this video till end. Raw materials for Solvay Process. Number one, ammonia. We all know about ammonia, NH3. It's obvious. Number two, brine. Brine is a concentrated solution of salt in water, sodium chloride. Now number three, last but not least, no offense, we have limestone as a source of carbon dioxide and slakegite. Oh, there are very much uses of slakegite. I will also discuss about when I talk about hard water. So stay tuned for that video too. Now we have the slakegite and the carbon dioxide. Now we will go to the basic reactions of Solvay Process. These are very important, and this also comes in a long question in your board exams and 10th class. Preparation of ammonical brine. Ammonical brine is produced by passing ammonia through brine. Means brine is flowing and ammonia is just poured into it. After this, ammonical brine actually goes to the carbonating tower. In the carbonating tower, this is step number 2, keep in mind. In the carbonating tower, there is a carbon dioxide gas is coming inside, and there's a reaction you can see down below. Now by this reaction we can see that it has produced very much products which will be used. So keep those reactions in mind, because it will be used. Because as I said, no waste product will be produced. Now in the lower compartments of the carbonating tower, there is another reaction going on. Thank to God that it's not a written reaction. It's actually the temperature over there is decreased. Now the temperature is decreased at a certain point, like 15 degrees Celsius, etc. Now what will happen? The precipitates of NaHCO3, also known as sodium hydrogen carbonates, will precipitate out, and these will be separated in the third step, which is filtration. In the step of filtration, these precipitates are filtered as the name of the process shows us. Now these are separated, but we have now obtained a compound. This compound is used as baking soda. Now from this little piece of information, we know that not only washing soda industries but also baking industries benefit from this process. Calcination, step number 4. Yes, you might be thinking that calcium will be used over here, but no, there's no use of calcium over here. It's just a name, calcination. In this process, what the scientists do, actually the machine does, it's a whole machine. Step number 5, preparation of carbon dioxide and slaked lime. Now as I said before, limestone is used here. Now limestone is heated in a kiln, like a large oven. Should be used for baking pizzas, I guess. Now, okay, no jokes, a little more. Now carbon dioxide is produced, carbon dioxide rises, and from there actually it is fed into the carbonating tower. But we have already discussed carbonating tower, so keep that aside. Now what will be produced? Lime will be produced. Not the lemon lime, but the other lime. Now this lime is actually added in water, equals amount of water. For example, I will take 10 lime, I should add it in 10 drops of water. I think 10 drops of water to make slaked lime. And what is slaked lime used for? It is in the next step. Slaked lime is fed into the ammonia recovery tower. As you can see in the reaction below, when I say recovery, means something is recovering. And guys, before we go to our remaining video, do take a look at this flow sheet diagram. It's the actually the whole process defined over here. It's very good though. These are our raw materials and the whole process that you have learned in this video. Now, as you remember, the thing and the formula I described in our first reaction, there was a an extra thingy, an extra product that will come to the ammonia recovery tower, and for our easiness, for the environment, slaked lime will react with it and ammonia will be produced. Now, if you may note that most of the things are recycled in this process, they are not used up completely. For example, I use ammonia at the beginning, and in the end it is again recycled, it is again reproduced. So there's only thing we need to keep on putting in, and it is our favorite brine. Brine? Yes, brine. Now we are going on the last session where one thin ice made. Now for this, you gotta listen it carefully. There will be a waste product. There will be a way to make it less harmful. You may have heard of hard water. If not, you will learn in our next topic. It's all about hard water. Now, okay, let's wait till hard water. The main let's give a short trailer about it. Now, in hard water, there are certain chemicals, and CaCO2 is one of those chemicals which have been produced in this. And to solve this whole theory, to solve this one, so that we will to purify it. I'm not getting words. To purify it, we will use sodium zeolite, Na2Z. It's a very important chemical. It's actually in the form of resins, and you will learn about it in our next topic, so stay tuned for our next topic. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe and like to my channel and like this video. Share my videos to other people as well, so they watch these videos as well and get benefit. Now thanks for watching, and bye bye.